Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make a heart napkin holder, so stay tuned. You will need 12 pieces of cord. I'm using 4mm single strand cord, but you're also welcome to use a different type of material. The first thing we're gonna do is to grab 2 cords. Find the center by folding it in half. Now you're gonna wanna pin the cords on the board to make it easier to work with. This will be a beginner-friendly project, however, you will be required to know your basic knots. I do have a tutorial on how to tie a square knot. I'll post a link in the description or in the cards above. If I'm going too fast for you, you can always adjust the speed of this video by tapping the 3 dots on the top right corner. Now grab 2 cords and place them under the square knot you made a while ago. Place them on each side like so. Now you're gonna wanna pin those 2 cords to help secure it and so it's easier for us to tie the knots. Now I'm gonna split the strands into 2 groups. We're gonna tie a square knot with the first 4 strands. And then we're gonna tie another square knot with the other 4. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward and I'll see you in the next step. So now that we are done on that row, we are going to add 2 more cords. And we're going to do the same step we did previously. Add the cords below the second row. And we're gonna group the strands into 3. So in each group, there will be 4 strands. Go ahead and create 3 square knots next to each other to create your 3rd row. Once again, I'm gonna fast forward this part and I'll see you on the next step. In the next step, we're going to create the second half of the heart. So basically, we're going to repeat the steps we did from the very beginning. Again, if it's too fast for you, please go ahead and pause the video or click the 3 dots on the top right corner to adjust the speed of the video. This project is not only great to hold napkins, but also for curtains and bouquets. So now that we have both halves of the heart, we're going to attach them together. Bring 2 strands from each of the halves together and tie a square knot. I'm going to set aside 2 left and rightmost strands so it'll be easier to group them. We're gonna be adding 4 more square knots to complete the 4th row. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this a little bit and I'll see you on the next step. We are going to add another row of square knots, so go ahead and group them into 6. So in each group there will be 4 strands. So in this step, our heart will start to taper, which means the number of square knots will decrease. So say we have 5 square knots for this row, and then we're gonna have 4, 3, 2, 1 consecutively. Keep adding rows of square knots until you reach the bottom with just 1 square knot. Our napkin holder is complete. You may braid the left and the rightmost strands for extra detail, or leave it as is. So these strands will hold your napkins. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit the bell so you will never miss an update. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. See you in the next video. Bye!